Hey, welcome back to In My Kitchen. So today I have for you some wings, 3 different flavors. So if you want to see what I did, now stay tuned for the video.
In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. Nessa's world.
Welcome guys. So the first step, I'm going to clean up my wings. I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to take off the excess fat off of it, and then wash it in some vinegar to get rid of the rawness. So now I'm just going to go ahead and season my chickens. I'm going to use all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, black pepper, oregano, basil, and some mixed ground spices, or ground seasoning as you would call it. Now this ground seasoning is what I had blended up for my patty. And if you want the ingredients so that you can go back and look for the patty recipe. However guys, I will do a separate video for that because I plan to make another batch of ground seasoning because we're in quarantine and some of us don't want to leave the house, or we don't know when this lockdown is going to be done with. So it is good to have some stored seasoning in the fridge rather than having them spoil on us. So look out for that video guys. So in this mix I have onion, scallion and thyme, pepper, ginger and garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and rub in all of the seasoning into the wings, and then I'm just going to cover that and leave it for a while so that the chicken can marinate and absorb all of that flavor. Yes, I have some cookies. Yeah, so something that will go down tonight. Yeah, and I have some barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, and sweet and sour sauce, and some maple syrup. Now, I know I could have made my own, but guess what? Life already hard. Cooking don't have to be, so you can make it. If you have this in the supermarket, why you need to go buy everything to make barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce and all them something? Them already prepared it for you, right? But what you can do though, if you want to add a little more flavor in or spice or whatever to this, you could go ahead and do that. But if you guys want me to show you how to make your own sauce, then I can, because I've made it before. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get the pot heated. Alright guys, so you're going to see me use a lot of old stuff that I already used before, because guess what, I'm not about to waste anything, because COVID is here and we don't know when he's going away. Or is it a she? I don't know. I think it's a she, because female love to give a lot of trouble. But nevertheless, I'm going to use my old oil. Yeah, because I'm not sure nothing. I'm gonna mix it with the new oil because I don't think I have enough. But since I already use it to fry chicken, I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to use the same flour that I used to fry my chicken, because what I did was I had a lot, so I didn't throw it away. I store it in the fridge, Alright, so I didn't throw that away. Alright, so I'm about to use that back. So don't come at me. I will list everything that you need to go into the flour. Yeah. And alright, so to tell you what's in this, guys. Yeah, it's that flour I stored in the fridge, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly fine. I had some all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, egg powder, and black pepper to this, and some herbs, which is oregano and basil to this. So yeah, that's basically what's in this. And then I'm just gonna dip my wings in this before I get to this and let that fry first. Alright, so first I'm going to do the barbecue sauce. This is from Sweet Berries and it's the honey barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here. And then I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now, I know that the honey is in there or whatever, but you know the maple syrup have a different taste So don't knock it until you try it, guys. So let's put that there. And that's that. And we're gonna go ahead now and put our wings in here. Put a little bit more barbecue. And I have my baking tray over here. These are piece tray, but whatever. Use what you have. Sexy. Look at that, so sexy, right? Guess this one don't want to be eaten. Teriyaki. Now for this you can add little sugar in it if you want, but I think I'm fine with the flavor. So I'm just gonna add the wings in there. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to it. Make it look more spice. This is the sweet and sour one. Look at that! So many flavor in one plate. Wow! As always, guys, stay tuned for my mukbang. And don't you forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Stay safe, stay good, stay prayed up, stay blessed, and talanoyad.